Welcome to the live stream. Today, we'll explore how to start a ready-to-wear brand from scratch. By the end, you'll have a roadmap to start your own brand. The ready-to-wear industry is thriving, offering creative entrepreneurs the chance to scale their businesses. It's an opportunity to solve fashion needs while expressing your unique style. Let's explore how you can tap into this lucrative industry. The first step is research and planning. Identify your target market by understanding their preferences, budget, and style. Study competitors to find gaps in the market. Finally, create your unique selling proposition to stand out in the crowd. Your brand identity is crucial. Define your mission, vision, and values. Choose a memorable brand name and design a logo that resonates with your audience. Consistency in colors and font strengthens brand recognition. Developing your first collection is exciting. Start small but impactful. Focus on quality materials and designs that appeal to your target audience. Comfort, fit, and style should always be your priorities. Decide whether to produce your garments in-house or outsource to manufacturers. Partner with reliable suppliers and ensure quality by testing prototypes. Consistency in production builds trust with your customers. Set your prices by calculating production costs, marketing expenses, and shipping fees. Ensure your pricing is competitive yet profitable. Remember to align it with your target audience's purchasing power. Marketing is key to your brand's success. Use social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok to showcase your designs. Build a professional website and collaborate with influencers to reach a wider audience. When launching, start with a soft launch to gather feedback and refine your process. Plan a grand launch campaign to create buzz and excitement. Monitor your performance and adjust strategies as needed. Starting a brand comes with challenges like competition and production delays. Stay consistent, adapt to market trends, and focus on customer satisfaction. Remember, every big brand once started small. Have questions? Drop them in the comments section and I'll answer them shortly. Don't forget to follow this page for more insights and tips on building your fashion brand. Like, share, and subscribe for future updates. Thank you for joining this live session. Your journey to creating a successful ready-to-wear brand starts today. Believe in your vision and take that first step.